work she's done for Child's Voice. I feel really grateful to have the opportunity to carry on her legacy and the well-established success of Child's Voice, but I will miss her so much as my boss, my mentor, and my friend. So I wanted to take this time not to just celebrate Dr. Michelle's work, but to talk about her as a person and what I will miss about having her here every day. So to quote her again, what does that look like? Yeah. So I think it'll look like a little less green on St. Patrick's Day, a few less hot dogs at lunch, less spontaneous Irish dancing when her phone rings, probably some more fingerprints on the walls. But really what I'll miss most are the times when someone tells a good story and she giggles, which then turns into full-blown, uncontrollable laughter. That catches on, and then everyone else is laughing, and we can barely talk through our laughter. Dr. Michele has a joy for life that shines through in everything she does for Child's Voice. This party is not a goodbye. She knows better than anyone that you never really leave Child's Voice, which is really great since I'm sure I'm going to be calling her every day. This is truly a celebration of her unwavering commitment to children with hearing loss, their families, and of her as a person and a leader. There's so many things that I respect about Michele and that I hope to carry on. The one that resonates with me the most is how deeply she cares about children with hearing loss, about families, about her staff, and her family. Michele, congratulations on your retirement. I will miss you in so many ways, but I wish you so much laughter and joy in this new journey that you're about to take.